Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, please, if you have a group with your friends on WhatsApp, call them to join, please.
I think so. You should wait
طيب
5 minutes, 6 minutes. So it
طيب
will be.
we'll just wait for 5 minutes. So no need to wait more. We will start directly. طيب so on the last time, okay, we started our new lesson talking about defining stoichiometry. If you remember the last time. Our focus question was about what can we learn from the balanced chemical equation. If you remember the last time, we said that we should balance the chemical equation before we write the relations between the products and the reactants. The review of vocabulary, we said that the reactant is the starting substance in a chemical reaction. So the reactant is the substance that we start with, and the product is the substance that is formed at the end of the reaction. Also, we said that if one of the reactants is used up, so the chemical reaction will stop. Like for example, if I have A and B are the reactants, if A or B, one of them, okay, is used up, so the reaction will stop. It will not proceed. We defined the last time also the term stoichiometry. We said that it's a quantitative study between what and what? Between the amounts of the reactants used and the amounts of products formed by a chemical reaction. We said that the stoichiometry is related to the law of conservation of mass. If you remember, the law of conservation of mass states that mass is conserved, it's neither created nor destroyed. So the mass of the reactants should be equal to the mass of the products, according to this law. The last time also we just look at this example, if you remember. We have iron and oxygen and iron oxide. Iron and oxygen are the reactants, and iron oxide is the product, usually the substances that are found uh, before the arrow. These are the reactants, and after the arrow, they are the products. So we can write it in words like iron plus oxygen gives iron trioxide, or we can relate them, okay, according to the coefficients here, 4 and 3 and 2. So we can say I have 4 atoms of iron, I have 3 molecules of oxygen, and I have 2 formula units of Fe2O3. So 4 atoms of iron, 3 molecules of oxygen, 2 formula units of Fe2O3. Or I can relate them according to the number of moles. So here, for example, we have 4 moles, we have here 3 moles, and here we have 2 moles. So 4, 3, and 2 moles. Okay, first of all, let's practice some balancing, uh, because if you want to put the relationship or derive the relationship between the uh, substances found in this chemical equation, you need to balance the chemical equation before. Why? Because if you derive the relationship without balancing, all your answers will be wrong. Okay, so all your answers will be wrong. So before solving, you should know, okay, if the chemical equation is balanced or not. If it's balanced, so it's okay, so you can just continue with your work. Whereas if it's not balanced, so you should balance it for first, then you continue. Just I want to open the whiteboard, just a minute. Okay. So here we have the share the screen. We want to solve some balancing equations. Then, first of all, we want to know what are the steps of balancing. First of all, we balance the metals. Okay, so we look at the metals, we balance them, then the non-metals, then hydrogen, and lastly oxygen. So metals, non-metals, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Okay, we'll take now an example. For example, here we have, just a minute. We have Xe, xenon. This is xenon. Okay, plus F2, fluoride molecule, gives xenon fluoride, XeF2, XeF1, X6. Okay, XeF6. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to solve this balancing equation. So we balance this equation just by adding coefficients here on the dash. Okay, in order the number of atoms before or in the reactants should be equal to the number of atoms in the products. Okay, start please solving. When you finish solving, raise your hand, please. When you finish solving, raise your hand.
Mr. Can you repeat the question?
What? What's your question?
What did you say, Mr.?
I said you have here, okay, an equation, a chemical equation, balance it. Still no one solved this balancing? Okay, Muhammad Hadi. Yalla, I need the others. Yalla. So easy. This one is very simple. Just balance the number of the atoms of xenon in the reactants and the products should be the same. The number of atoms of fluorine in the reactants and the products should be the same. Balance it, please. Okay, so we start with Muhammad Hadi. Muhammad. You have a problem in the mic maybe? Or you cannot open the microphone?
Who, Mr. Me?
Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad
Sorry,
Hadi.
okay.
طيب
So,
يلا.
okay, I will answer. So
Yeah.
we put nothing in the XE plus 4.
What should I put?
We should, in the first one, XE nothing, and here we should put 4.
Yeah, here nothing means 1, you mean?
And here 4.
4? So you have here 8. 4 times 2 is 8.
Oh, we find it?
3.
Sorry, I didn't know that we should time.
Yeah, so you put here 3. Okay, and here 1. Okay, let's solve it again together, please. Look here. Thank you, Muhammad. Your answer is correct now. Xenon is 1, and here xenon is 1, so it's balanced. Okay, F here is 2, and F here is. How can I make the 2 6? Okay, I will just put 3. So 3 times 2, 6, and here we have 6. So now it's balanced. Here it's empty, it doesn't mean that it's 0. Okay, it's not 0, it's 1. But we don't put anything usually. We don't put the 1. But here we have 1. Okay, so the answer will be here 1, 3, and 1. Type, I'll give you another question to solve. Just a minute, please. Okay, we have AG, 2S gives, okay, AG plus S6. S6. Okay, here we have S only. We have one S. Yeah, let's solve it, please. I'll give you 2 minutes. Balance this chemical equation. Ag is one element. It's silver, and sulfur is one element, S, which is sulfur. So silver and sulfur here. It's not 6, it's 8. Okay, S8. S8.
Mr. They are so easy. Only this we'll study.
What here, mister? Can you repeat?
I'm saying, Mr. They are so easy.
Okay, great, great. If it's easy for you, that's great. Yeah, I need all of you to solve this. Also, this is not hard, it's easy.
Mister, is that AG2 squared or AG2S or what is that?
No, this is Ag2S. Okay, this is sulfur. This is
Okay.
sulfur, Ag2S. Okay, please, when you finish solving, please raise your hand. When you finish solving, raise your hand. Okay, till now only I have 4. Where are the others? Please proceed. I need all of you to solve this.
I want to answer.
Just wait, please. Wait. Yeah, Saif, mute your microphone, please. Still only 4. Where are the remaining? Hello? Okay, great. Okay, Saif, just raise your hand if you solve it, okay? If you solve this question.
Oh, okay.
Balance this question.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. Because we have an assignment at the end of the period, so you should know how to solve. Type. I will take Walid. Walid.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, can you solve this, please?
Okay.
Okay, how much do we have here, silver?
2.
Okay, and in the products?
Uh, 2.
We have 2 here in the products?
Here, 1, Mister. And we make it.
1. So we should put 2, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, type. What about the sulfur? What do we have here?
1.
And in the products?
8.
8. What should I do? What I should put
8?
here? Very good. I
Here.
should put
Yes.
8. But here we have now a problem. So here 8s and here we have 8s. But now we have another problem. What is
Yes.
the problem? That silver now it's not 2. It's now what? 8 times 2, so it's 16.
Yes.
So what we should do?
Mr. Maybe we should make 4 instead of 8.
What?
We should put 16 on the AD.
Yeah, we should put here 16. So we will.
Yeah, put 16.
Excellent. So we move the 2 and we put here 16. Okay. So now it's balanced. So I have 16 silver atoms in the reactants, so 16 in the products. 8 sulfur in the reactants and 8 sulfur in the products. Here we have nothing, but we put nothing, but it's 1. Yes. What's your question?
I'm saying in grade 8 in this school, did you take these or no? It's the first time.
Yes, they took it. Yes, they took it from grade 7.
Also, my school took it, so I wanted to ask.
Yeah. Yeah, they know it. They took it, I think, in grade 7. Type. I'm sure, not I think. I'm sure. Okay. Type. Type. We will draw another one. Just a minute. We will solve another one, not draw. Okay. The last one we'll solve, which is Just a minute. Okay, H2 H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. Okay, balance this chemical equation, please. Okay, balance please this chemical equation.
Mr. I think I balanced it.
Great. Okay, Karim,
Yes, mister.
can you solve this one?
So I think you can balance it by you put like 2 in the beginning.
Okay, only?
I think then it becomes balanced. Yes.
Here 2 times 2 it's 4, and here you have 2.
Oh yes, mister. I forgot to put in the and you have to put as well like 2 in the H.
Okay, here you have 2. Now, it's balanced
Then
or
you put-
not?
I think yes, but you have to put 1 in the oxygen.
Yeah, 1. Yeah, it's here 1. Great. Very good. So 2 times 2, 4. Here you have 2 times 2, 4. The hydrogen is balanced. 2 times 2, 4. We have 4 oxygen atoms. Here you have 2 times 1 and 1 times 2. So it's 4. So here we have 4 oxygen and 4 oxygen here. Now it's balanced. Type. This one you took it, the balancing you took it in grade 7 and 8. So, but just revising. But we will practice now in a work and an assignment. Yes, I will send you now an assignment to solve it. Just in 1 minute.
Mister, are you putting an assignment?
Yes, yes. I'm just sending it.
Okay.
It's taking time. I think you receive it in seconds. Did you receive it or not yet?
No, mister. I didn't.
Why? Why?
So will you send an assignment?
Yes, I'm sending it, but I don't know why it's not. You didn't receive anything?
No, Mister, we are waiting here.
No, Mister, we still
No,
didn't get it.
Mister. Yeah, I didn't get
No.
anything either.
I don't know what's the problem. I sent it. It's not appearing. Oh, no. 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 I think we have something in Microsoft Teams. Okay. Did you receive it or not yet?
No, Mister, we have not received
No,
anything,
mister.
Mister.
Not yet.
طيب. Oh, you just received it now.
Yeah, Mr. I got it.
Yes, start. Okay.
Mister, I can't see the assignment.
Go to the post. You'll find it in the post.
Mr. Hadi,
Yes.
Mr. I have a question.
Yeah.
Mr. in the first
When-
one.
Mr. When there is a parenthesis and let's say SO4 and we close the parenthesis and there is 3 under it. So what?
Yeah. So we have 3S and 12O.
3S and 12. Okay.
Yes, you multiply them. 3 times 1 is 3, so 3S. 3 times 4, 12, so 12 O.
Submit.
Okay, great.
مكتوب عندي this message has been deleted.
No, I didn't delete anything. No, I'm opening the
Mr.
post.
I don't
Yes.
understand the answers.
Yes, Mr. I
Like-
can't understand what to do.
Yeah, Mr. What is like 2-6? What is this?
What to dash?
That's the answers. I don't understand.
Yes, the answers. It's the first one. Okay, you put the first coefficient is 1. The second coefficient is 2. The third coefficient is 3. The fourth coefficient is 4, like, for example. Okay?
Where is the third, Mister? There is no third.
How? Oh, no third.
The first one only has 2.
This message has been deleted.
So it will give you 1. So 1 is nothing.
Yeah, Mister. Yeah, 1. Nothing is 1. We said, yeah, nothing is 1. Nothing is not 0. Okay? So we have 3 substances. We have
No,
Fe, we
Mister,
have
I
chlor-
know this. But I know this, but aren't the two ones like flow, like what's Fe, Mister? I don't know. Fe and Cl, isn't that it?
Fe is iron. Chlorine is
Yes.
Cl is chlorine. Yes.
Yes, what's the third one?
FeCl3.
Mister, I submitted.
Oh, okay, Mister.
What? Yeah.
Mister,
What?
Mister,
So
it
can I
says
leave 'cause the
this
period,
message has been deleted.
Yeah. Yes, you can submit and leave. Yes. What's your question?
Yeah, Mister, it says, Mister, this message has been deleted. I can't.
No, it's not. It's not deleted. How you can take the
What's
assignment? It's
Mister?
found.
It is, Mister.
I didn't. No, you opened maybe the previous one. I sent another one.
Yeah, Mister, it's now.
Yeah, Mister. There is another one. I sent another one.
I can't see.
The first one, yes. The first one, yes, I deleted because it's not sending to all. Okay. Now I sent another one.
Can't see it still, yeah, Mister. I don't know why.
Close
Yeah, Mister, me
Microsoft.
too. I also can
Close
see.
it and close Microsoft and close the page of Microsoft and open it again. It will appear
Okay.
Mister, when can we see our grade?
after the period.
Okay, Mister, can you send the assignment again?
You cannot send it again. No, only once.
Because the assignment has been deleted.
Yeah, Mister. I said close Microsoft. Okay, tab, close it, then open it again, and then go to your class and find it in the post.
The same thing, Mister. This message has been deleted.
close? Did you close
Mister,
it?
there is no assignment. No assignment.
Yes, I closed.
Yeah,
How?
Mister. I closed
No,
them.
wait, please. Don't tell me there is no assignment. Riyad, you are working with this assignment or not?
Mister, I will send a Karim video.
Yes, Mister, I am, but
Yes,
some people
so
maybe
he's-
didn't get it. I don't know.
No, all of them, they should get it. Okay? Karim also submitted, so work, please.
Mister, like I got a mark on the activity, then I click the activity, I click view assignment, and then it somehow vanished. There's nothing. Like
There's no
nothing.
assignment, yeah, Mister.
Like it showed up that you put the assignment,
Yeah,
but
Mister,
then when
after
I
I
clicked on
finish
it,
the assignment and
just
I recheck, there is
disappeared.
nothing also.
Yeah. How? So
Like-
there is a glitch in Microsoft Teams.
Yeah,
So
Mister.
this is
well,
no
it's
problem.
right.
If there is a
Mister,
problem,
okay.
طيب,
Post it
please.
and
يا شباب. The one who receive it, solve it. The one who didn't, don't solve it. خلاص. You'll not solve it. What should I do?
Mister, you do
طيب.
you did another
you
one?
put another one.
Look now. Did you receive now any other assignment?
Mister, I
Yes,
received
I
it.
can
Yes,
see it.
Right.
Mister.
All of you, stop solving with the first assignment. Go to the second one
Okay.
Okay.
because the first one I deleted. So it's Microsoft Teams is down because of that.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Mister. I submitted.
Great.
Sir, I already did the other assignment. Do I do this one again or no?
Yes, please, yes, because I deleted the previous one. Put the same answers.
Okay, thank you, Mister. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I should. Okay, as fast as you can, please finish this assignment and submit it.
Okay, Mister.
I'm giving you
should I
time.
leave?
Yes, leave.